So this is like day 3 Mustang scabby. Work on Mustang scabby. Yesterday I ripped out all the carpet and we've revealed this wonderful rusty floor.
Rusty floor is no floor.
No floor. Well, we took all the seats out, front 2 and the back. Now we're going to actually see whether the roof will work, because it actually is powered. How do you say it?
What?
Mechanically.
It's
it's
hydraulically powered.
It's a hydraulically powered roof. There we go.
Pretty seized.
But it's seized. So yeah, the WD-40.
Yeah.
And hopefully a bit of magic.
Not surprised.
What? Everything with this car is like, oh my god, it could set fire. You'll be alright, won't you? You'll be okay.
It's looking better already, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, if we don't look at the floor.
Yeah. Right, let's see what happens.
Okay.
I need to screw something. Fingers crossed.
Make sure your head's out of the way. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my days! Ah! Yo!
I'll be damned.
Ah! It actually works!
It works.
Yes! Come on, Mustang!
Yeah,
Come on!
Yes! Is it on my phone?
Ooh.
That's not bad, is it?
No. Knew it! I knew she'd work! Wow.
I'm quite impressed.
Good bit of engineering there.
Wow. The roof works.
Yeah. Life in the old girl, yeah, eh? Look, I keep finding. Look.
Oh my arm's like.
Yeah.
What if messes on the roof slide down?
Yeah, I know. Oh my god, imagine cruising with this when it's actually like a sick car. It looks so dope.
It's not bad condition, the roof.
Wow. How we're excited about it. Trying to clean the gunk off of her lovely windshield.
It's not nose.
Yeah.
I'll get the blade and just catch it just under the edge there. Lift it up.
Oh, okay.
There we go, you can get more.
This bit here, alright? Yay! You don't understand how excited I am about this. Very excited. Like, thought we were going to sell it, but we're actually not. Actually keeping it for the shop, which means I get to drive it. Yeah. I'll tell you what, I do quite like old Hetty, but it's quite satisfying cleaning out all the rust. Like just getting rid of all the cracks. Just so we can see what's underneath is really satisfying. I mean, yeah, sure, it'd be better if there was no rust at all, but if there was no rust I probably wouldn't have this as a project, so I like it. Smells nice.
Nice.
I want to try it and I'm excited to try it, but I am a bit nervous now. Even more so than when we did welding. Yeah, I think it's because when we were welding I had a big mask on. That felt like protected. Bloody handbrake.
Don't cut yourself because you'll get a tetanus shot as quick as you like.
Trying to sit somewhere is like the hardest bit.
It will.
Am I pushing enough in?
Don't just let it cut itself. Don't try and force it.
So I don't have to push.
You don't have to push it, otherwise you'll blow it up. But if you just go nice and steady, let it cut its own way.
Okay.
A little bit more. See how you've been through it now, and you've broken the washer. It'll not snap.
Way through, yeah.
So what you need to do now.
It's hard this one because it's right next to the. Look, I cut that bit.
That's a mark. That's what I'm thinking now, because it's had some heat put into it. I might just break off.
Do you want these?
Yeah, please.
It's got quite a nice smell.
Yeah.
Oh yay!
See, I'm